What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Inspiring Charm, providing you one inspiration at a time. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Beautiful people, today I'm going to be doing sweet and sour chicken for you. If you want to learn more about that, stay tuned. So what I have here, I have my chicken breast that I seasoned overnight with black pepper, salt, garlic powder, and some Maggi all-purpose chicken seasoning. So I'm gonna go in now, take out my chicken, and I'm gonna cut them in some strips. So now guys, I'm gonna go with my knife. I'm gonna cut first in strips. You can cut it to the size of you like. And I put a bag on the cutting board because I've already seasoned my meat. I don't want it to become hot meat. So this is going to be an easy and simple recipe using what you have at home. No need to go out and buy anything. The only thing probably you need to go out and buy is pineapple. If you don't have pineapple, you can go ahead and use the tin pineapple along with the juice. I'm going to cut my strips in cubes. Again, you can cut them as small or as big as you love them to be. And if you want to season your chicken overnight, it's okay. If you want to season it half an hour before, that's totally fine as well. Lean protein is the way to go for me these days because I'm trying to control my weight. This is something that I find very So guys, my chicken is all cut. Now I'm going to go ahead and preheat my pot. I'm going to be doing deep fat frying, and so I want enough oil in there to cover my chicken. So this is my pot. Put in my heat to 8. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some vegetable after that. You can use whatever oil you choose. So while this is heating up, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my batter for the chicken. So now guys, so another container, I'm going to add 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. To that I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and I'll be adding 1.5 tablespoon of cornstarch. So cornstarch, 1.5 tablespoon, baking powder, flour, and I'm going to mix that with some water now. About 1 cup of water. Okay guys, I'll get it to the consistency that I like. I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken to this and coat it. Don't be afraid to use your hands, guys. Go in and mix that chicken well. gonna let it sit and wait until my oil is hot enough, and then I put them to fry. Okay guys, I'm gonna check if my oil is hot, so I'm gonna put a piece of the chicken in there, and I'll be double frying these. Alright, I think it's ready to go. So you're gonna let the first set fries until it swims to the top of the oil. Then we're gonna take those out and refry. So I'm just gonna go in and turn them, pop them so that they don't stick together. So we're gonna wait until these get golden brown. A little, then I take them out. So while the chicken is being fried, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my pineapple chunks. I'm using a canned pineapple today because I did not get a fresh one, but the result will still be the same, and I'll go ahead and prepare my vegetable for you too. So guys, the last set of my chicken is in the pot. So the reason I put the cornstarch in the flour is because it allows the chicken to become crispier, and then when you double fry it, it will help it not to fall apart when you put it in the sauce, so it will still remain crisp and delicious. So I've cleared my oil of all the particles and I've finished my first frying. I'm going to go in now and do my second frying. Oops. So guys, this is what your second frying should look like. Right, so this is my second frying of the first set. Ensure when you're frying your chicken, the first time you do not allow the pot to be overcrowded because they will stick to each other. Now guys, I'm on to the last set of second fry. And now we're going to make our sauce to go with this. Okay guys, let's make our sauce. So in my pan, I'm going to turn my flame to about medium. And to that, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. To that, I'll be adding 1 cup of same pineapple juice that I got from the tin. I'll be adding half cup of ketchup, tablespoon of soy sauce, quarter tablespoon of ginger powder, quarter cup of white vinegar. Mix that together. So this is going to be the base for our sauce. Guys, you can also add a little raspberry sauce or jam. It is coming to a boil, so I'm going to go ahead and add my 3 different bell peppers. You can use whichever bell pepper you have and whatever size and shape you want them in. Cover the pot for about 2 minutes and let that boil before I add my pineapple and some cornstarch to thicken the sauce. So while my pot is coming to a boil, I'm going to be using half tablespoon of cornstarch, so about 2 or 3 tablespoons of water, and mix that thoroughly. Guys, my pot has come to a boil. I'm going to go ahead and add my pineapple chunks to that. I'm going to be adding my cornstarch mixture. Not all of it, because I don't want it to be too thick. Once it starts to thicken, I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken. You notice that I did not add any salt or anything to this, because if your chicken is properly seasoned, then you don't need any more salt added to the dish. So guys, my sauce is getting a little bit thicker, so I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken. Toss that